Hello everybody and welcome to another Mystery Box Function Challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. Today is a Friday, so this math is going to be extra challenging. You can use the link in the description if you want to try it out yourself, and when you think you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's start with a 0. 0 is 1. How about 1? 1 is also 1. Okay, how about 2? 2 is 2. Okay, so it looks like we've taken a little bit of a turn there. How about 3? Oh, so that looks like a curve. So maybe we've got a parabola or some other type of curve and we're not seeing the vertex there. I'm just going to put in a 4. Oh boy, that's shooting up really fast. Looks like faster than it would for a parabola maybe. Let's see if there's some kind of vertex here. I'm going to put in 1/2. Oh my goodness. So it's not defined for 1/2. Huh. How about 3/2? Let's look between 1 and 2. Not defined there either. How about negative numbers? Oh boy. Let's just try another negative number. Well, this is maybe the strangest thing we've seen. It looks like it's not defined for negative numbers, and it's not defined, well, maybe it's not defined for anything that's not an integer. So if we put in like 7.1 maybe. And that is, again, not a number. But if we put in 7, whoa, 5,040. Oh, okay. Huh. Well, I think I've actually got it because I happen to recognize a couple of these numbers. So let me show you what this is about. I think this is f of x equals the factorial of x. And a factorial is where you take the number and multiply it by all the other numbers. If the factorial of 0 is a weird one, it's defined as 1 for reasons I won't get into here. But 1 would just be 1, and 2 would be 2 times 1. So that's, 2 times 1. And 3 would be 3 times 2 times 1. 3 times 2 times 1, that's 6. That's what we get. 4 is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So that would be 12, 24. So let's put in a 4 and test that. There we go. So 4 is 24, and that bears this out. It's an odd function, the factorial of x, and actually it's defined in different ways by different people. There's a function called the gamma function that actually defines this even for decimals and negative values, and it looks pretty weird, but it looks like this one is just the integers. So I'm going to go ahead and reveal this. I don't think I need any more evidence to make my best guess here. Yeah, this is the factorial of x, and let's go ahead and graph that. Oh, it already is graphed, right? We're not going to see a line coming between those dots because it's not defined for anything except the integers. And we've got 0, 1, 2, and 3, and everything else is off the graph. So these 4 dots, that is our graph. Well, that was highly weird. I would be super impressed to know that you figured this one out. So let me know. Thanks, everybody.